In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Emergent AI subscription. First, log into your Emergent AI account. Once you are logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. Once you are inside Account Settings, look for the option called Manage Plan and click on it. This will show you your current subscription details, including your plan, billing cycle, and payment status. Scroll down until you find the Cancel Plan option. Click on it and follow the confirmation steps on the screen. Once you confirm, your subscription will be set to cancel. Before you go ahead and cancel, there are a few important things you should do first. Make sure you use any remaining credits on your account before canceling. Once your subscription is canceled, unused credits may be lost and cannot be recovered. Also, make sure you save any important code or project files before canceling. Download your code files and upload them to your GitHub account, or save them locally on your computer. Download any other key files, exports, or project data that you might need in the future. Once you have done all of that, go ahead and complete the cancellation. That is how you do it.